Wrap the yarn around your index and middle fingers in an X. Insert the hook through, yarn over and pull out. Yarn over again and pull through, loop on the hook. Insert the hook through, yarn over and pull out. Yarn over again and pull through, 2 loops on the hook. This completes we first single crochet. In the magic loop, we insert the stitch marker in first stitch. Crochet second single crochet. Third single crochet. Fourth single crochet. Fifth single crochet. Sixth single crochet. Then we tap on the tail to close the hole in the middle of the work, just like magic. Take off the stitch marker in the first stitch. Hook weave a slip stitches connection with the first stitch. Hook a turning chains, we begin to crochet the second loop. For second laps, we add 1 stitch every stitch. Add 1 single crochet in the first stitch. Then the second loop is crocheted according to the rule. A total of 12 single crochet are crocheted. Hook a turning chains, we begin to crochet the third loop. For third laps, we add 1 stitch every other stitch. Add 1 single crochet to the second stitch. Hook a single crochet in the third stitch. Add 1 stitch to the fourth stitch. Then follow the same method. We crochet remaining 4 group. For fourth laps, first, we crochet single crochet. Add 1 single crochet to the second stitch. Hook a single crochet in the third stitch. Then follow the same method. We crochet remaining 5 group. For 5 slabs, we add 1 stitch every 3 stitch. Add 1 stitch to the 4th stitch. For 6 slabs, first we crochet 2 single crochet. Add 1 stitch to the 3rd stitch. Next, crochet 2 single crochet. Then follow the same method. We crochet remaining 5 group.